condolence to the family of our elder Abel and my sister Evelyn for the demise of your beloved son. And we know that God was there when all this happened. You may ask yourself several questions, but there's nothing much that can be done. We only request that you accept and move on. Maisha iko namna hiyo, na kila mtu ako na siku yake. Ikifika, itafika tu. We pray for comfort. We pray for God's protection upon the family. Our daughters, we pray for you so that God gives you strength as you go back to school, so that you can reach where your brother could have thought to reach.